Embracing the era of time saving through AI automation. Greetings, viewers. Welcome back to the AI Future Trend Hub. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey into the realm of time saving through AI automation. In an era characterized by technological evolution, artificial intelligence emerges as a pivotal force in enhancing efficiency, optimizing processes, and conserving invaluable time. Join us as we uncover the transformative potential of AI in revolutionizing our daily lives and professional endeavors. Section 1. Deciphering AI automation. Before delving into the intricacies, let's demystify the concept of AI automation. Essentially, it encompasses the utilization of intelligent algorithms and machine learning models to execute tasks that traditionally necessitate human intervention. From the deployment of chatbots to recommendation engines, AI automation empowers us to delegate repetitive tasks, thereby enabling a focus on strategic and creative pursuits. Section 2. Liberation from time-intensive endeavors. Reflect upon the activities monopolizing a substantial portion of your day: data entry, email organization, meeting coordination, and mundane administrative chores. These represent ideal candidates for AI automation. By entrusting these responsibilities to adept algorithms, we liberate time for pursuits of greater significance. Section 3. Illustrative instances of AI automation. 1. Streamlined email management. AI algorithms proficiently analyze inboxes, categorize emails, and prioritize urgent correspondence, mitigating the overwhelming influx of messages. 2. Efficient social media administration. AI tools manage content dissemination, engagement responses, and performance monitoring, enabling creators to focus on crafting compelling material. 3. Automated customer assistance. Chatbots adeptly address routine inquiries, furnishing instant responses round the clock, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. 4. Simplified data processing and reporting. AI facilitates the extraction of pertinent information from diverse documents, spreadsheets, and databases, ensuring precision and expediency in reporting endeavors. 5. Personalized recommendations. Whether it pertains to entertainment selections or product suggestions, AI tailors recommendations based on individual preferences, enhancing user experience. Section 4. Navigating implementation hurdles. While AI automation promises temporal dividends, grappling with several challenges is imperative. Data integrity. The efficacy of AI hinges on the quality of input data. It is imperative to ensure the accuracy and relevance of data sets to avert erroneous outcomes. Ethical considerations and bias mitigation. AI-driven decisions can inadvertently perpetuate biases. Rigorous audits and adherence to ethical guidelines are indispensable to uphold fairness and impartiality. Harmonizing human-AI collaboration. Striking a harmonious balance between automation and human oversight is pivotal to leveraging the transformative potential of AI while safeguarding against inadvertent errors. Section 5. Pondering the prospects of AI automation. As AI continues its relentless march towards advancement, a vista of even more sophisticated automation unfolds. Envision a landscape populated by self-driving vehicles, predictive maintenance systems, and AI-fueled creativity. The future brims with promise and intrigue, beckoning us towards unprecedented realms of possibility. Section 6. Real-world applications and impact. Interview 1. Tech entrepreneur. In my experience, AI automation has revolutionized our business operations. Tasks that once demanded significant human effort can now be seamlessly executed by intelligent algorithms, allowing us to focus on innovation and growth. Interview 2. Data scientist. From a data perspective, AI automation has streamlined our processes, enabling us to extract actionable insights from vast datasets at an unprecedented pace. This, in turn, empowers organizations to make informed decisions with agility. Section 7. Addressing concerns and reservations. Panelist 1. While the benefits of AI automation are undeniable, it's essential to address concerns regarding job displacement and ethical implications. We must prioritize reskilling initiatives and implement robust ethical frameworks to navigate these challenges. Panelist 2. Moreover, fostering transparency and accountability in AI systems is paramount. By embracing responsible AI practices, we can ensure that automation serves as a force for societal good. Section 8. Collaborative innovation for the future. In embracing the potential of AI automation, collaboration emerges as a cornerstone of innovation. By fostering interdisciplinary partnerships and knowledge-sharing initiatives, we can collectively harness the transformative power of AI to address pressing societal challenges and propel humanity towards a brighter future. Section 9. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, as we traverse the landscape of AI automation, let us remain cognizant of its profound implications and transformative potential. By embracing responsible practices, fostering collaboration, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can navigate the complexities of this technological frontier with confidence and integrity. Remember, the future is not predetermined, it is shaped by our collective actions and aspirations. Together, let us embark on this journey towards a future where AI automation serves as a catalyst for progress and human flourishing. Are you enjoying our AI-focused content? By tapping the like button and subscribing to our channel, you're not just expressing your gratitude for the knowledge we share, but also fueling our ability to keep offering cutting-edge insights and information to assist you in mastering the intricacies of AI technology and its applications. Together, let's embark on this journey toward AI literacy and empowerment. Your ongoing support means the world to us. Until our next update, stay informed, stay inspired, and stay empowered by AI.